Hey guys, what's up? It's another phone vlog. I know you don't really like this, but today's my last day of quarantine. First of all, yes! Congratulations to me for surviving 2 weeks locked up in a hotel room. If you haven't seen the hotel room, link down in the description below for the flight and a quick little hotel tour. Today I was able to finally go and check out the food in the cafe that the hotel also runs, and I was able to eat Thai green curry for breakfast. I know you're thinking like, wow, you're eating curry for breakfast, but I mean, it is absolutely delicious. It was the best kind of curry that I could eat for my first day out of quarantine, and it was phenomenal, fantastic, and there was nobody else in the cafe because I was eating it at like 10:30 in the morning. Nobody comes to a cafe that early apparently, right? But you know, it was delicious, it was gorgeous, it was scrumptious. I was also able to get a new toy. It is called the DJI Pocket 2. So it's basically a 3-axis gimbal camera, but you know, you'll see the footage for this probably in the next video, just because, you know, I still have to record with the phone just because I have so much stuff I need to repack and get out of this hotel room and then, you know, travel all the way to Sendai because I'm currently in Tokyo right now for quarantine. But my apartment and my work location is in Sendai. Fun little adventure, but you know, for now, it's just gonna be another phone vlog. I know you guys don't really like this. I don't like it either, just because I don't like the quality of it. So the first step is basically putting everything back into the suitcase that I took out, all that clothes right there. I gotta also fix this bed up, and yeah, that's about it. (7:02 a.m. Right here, just put the time. Good morning. So we got the before, and we have, ta-da! All clean, and all my stuff, my entire life, in 2 suitcases and a backpack. Goodbye room that, you know, I stayed in for 2 weeks. It's time for me to go to my apartment. Hello, I'm covered in sweat because I had to carry these. But yeah, if you saw for like a split second, you saw my apartment. So I finally moved in and I just filled out the paperwork for gas so that I have like gas, or you know, I have running hot water and stuff. Don't forget to hit subscribe so that whenever I actually film the apartment. Right now, it's actually, there's nothing in here. You know, I want to put a little bit of furniture in before I film the video about, you know, the whole apartment tour. This video was me going from Tokyo to Sendai, so hopefully you enjoyed that. Whenever it gets to the point where I can actually, you know, film, I will actually do it with an actual camera, not my phone. So, you know, this is hopefully the last time you see a phone vlog from me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Sweaty boy, bye.